Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathe in and gently breathe out. One more time. Breathe in peace and breathe out tension. Allow your body to relax completely. Allow your mind to become calm and quiet. Now gently bring your awareness to your kidneys, both kidneys, right side and left side. Surround them with love, gratitude and healing light. And now repeat silently or loud after me. My kidneys are surrounded with healing light. My body knows how to heal itself. Every cell in my body is moving towards balance and the restoration of my kidneys. Healing energy flows through my kidneys now. I release fear and welcome peace into my body. My kidneys are receiving strength, nourishment, and renewal. I trust the wisdom of my body. Divine healing energy is flowing through every cell of my body. My body is calm, peaceful, and open to healing. Every breath brings healing to my kidneys. I lovingly support my body with patience and compassion. I am grateful for the healing taking place within me. Peace flows through my mind. Healing flows through my body. And love flows through my heart. I am safe. I am supported. And I am healing. And now imagine a beautiful golden light surrounding your kidneys completely. This warm healing light is restoring balance, vitality, and harmony. And now stay here for a few quiet moments. Experience and see this golden light surrounding your kidneys and restoring balance, vitality, and harmony. Breathing gently, receiving healing and receiving peace. Stay here in this moment and just breathe gently. Receive this healing energy and receive this peace. And stay here for a moment. Feel and experience. And whenever you are ready, take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. And now gently return your awareness to the present moment. Feel where you are sitting. Feel your surrounding. And bring smile in your face. And feel that your kidneys are in the path of healing. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful.